Confirmed summer transfer news 2026. Lionel Messi, position attacking midfielder, new club owner, confirmed. David Alaba, position centre back, set to leave Real Madrid as a free agent, officially confirmed. Marco Rose, position manager, new head coach of Bournemouth after summer end, confirmed. Morgan Rogers, position attacking midfielder, Aston Villa to Manchester City, deal very close. Joao Neves, position center midfielder, Paris Saint-Germain to Manchester City, deal very close. Anthony Gordon, position left wing forward, Newcastle United to Bayern Munich, deal very close. Ibrahima Konate, position centre back, set to leave Liverpool as a free agent and join Barcelona, deal very close. Lewis Hall, position left back, Newcastle United to Liverpool, deal very close. Manuel Ugarte, position center defensive midfielder, set to leave Manchester United, confirmed. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more latest transfer daily news.